Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to redeem codes in Lassie Survival Shooter. So, here's the deal here. Lassie Survival Shooter doesn't actually have a code redemption feature built into the game as of right now. So you won't find any options in the settings or menus here where you can enter a promo code like in other mobile games. Now, you might see some YouTube videos out there or websites claiming to offer to redeem codes or cheats here, but most of the time those are not legit, so be careful if you're going to visit those websites. So, a lot of them are either talking about gameplay tips or trying to lure you into using third-party tools or even like hack your account here, so you might lose access to your account. So, just again, be careful with those websites. Now, so it's best to avoid those sites here altogether. So with that said, if you're looking for free rewards or bonuses for your account here, so there are still other safe ways to get them in game. So like for example, daily login rewards, event participations, in-game achievements, and even alliance activities. So these are reliable and built into the game. So plus developers sometimes roll out new events that offer exclusive loot without needing any codes at all. And lastly, always stick to the official game sources here, like their verified Facebook page, Discord server, or App Store updates. So if you're looking for announcements or features like redeemable codes, if they ever add a code system here, that's where it will be announced first. But yeah, so that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.